How's it going, everybody? It's Mr. Bono. Thank you for checking in. I'm going to review some stuff on an analog clock and how I've been teaching students to look at the analog clock. When I've been teaching students about trying to figure out what time it is, I tell them to look at the minute hand first. So then once they are looking at the hour hand, they already know by the minute hands if it's close to the next hour or if it just passed a certain hour. So check this out. On this clock, I'm gonna write put some hands on them, and here we go. Okay. Now, if you are doing this the way that I've shown, or the way that I talk about in class, you'll first look at the minute hand, right? So the minute hand, minute is a longer word, so we're going to look at the long arm. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let's say that's on the 55. Okay, I'll write it over here. 55 minutes. So we know it's 55 minutes, and now we're going to look at the hour. Okay, so we see that this hour hand, it looks like it's on a 9. So I could write 9:55. But I know that since it's 55, it's close to being the next hour. So I have to think in my head, the next hour would be 10 o'clock if I write it like this. Is that hour hand close to 10 o'clock? No. So I know that it has to be 8:55, and that it is, even though it looks like it's on the 9, it's not really there yet 100%. It's creeping up on the 9, all right? So it is 8:55. When you look at the hour hand first, then you do it with confidence, right? Because that hour hand looks like it's on the 9. So you would confidently write 9 first, right? Confident. And then you would figure out the minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And then you would go on to the next question. Most students do that. But to give yourself and your brain time to process, I've noticed that looking at the minutes first and then thinking, am I close to the next hour? And what is the next hour? And then figuring out the hour is really, really helpful for students because it allows some time before completing the problem to have this moment to think and reflect and to not make any small error. All right? So try it out at home. See how effective it is for you. Maybe you have an analog clock in your home, in the train station, barbershop, kitchen. We have a lot at school, so maybe you could practice at school. But this is how I do it, and hopefully it's helpful when you are doing in reading time at home. All right? This is Mr. Bono. Peace.